fix and solve eco problem on Messenger app. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can do that. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Messenger application on your device. Go to the Google Play Store, search for the Messenger application and see if there is any update option available. If not, that you can simply update it. Now what you need to do is you can simply go to the settings option here. Now choose on the apps option where all the apps will be visible. Now you can simply search for the Messenger on the top search bar. After searching for the Messenger, you will see an interface like this. Make sure you have followed all the permissions and also all of the notifications, and it is also a default app as well. If you have done so, then you can simply scroll down and tap on the various storage option. Now just tap on clear data and clear cache from here. After you do that, go back and tap on the force stop, and now again go on the Google Play Store and uninstall and reinstall your Messenger application. Re-log into your Messenger application from your Facebook or your password and phone number, and now when you open it, your problem should be solved. So that's how you can solve your problem. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.